In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the background of your messages on your iPhone. If this guide helps you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also like this video. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up a conversation with someone and we're going to select their name. So I'm going to select my friend's Camilla's number. And then right here under info, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select background. And then here I'm going to have different options. I can select a photo from my camera roll if that's something that I want to do, or maybe a photo with the person that I'm talking to, or I can select a photo of the sky. You can even swipe right to see the different options that the new iOS 26 has. And once you're happy with your decision, you can simply select the check mark right here at the top. And now if you go back to your conversation, you're going to see that you have a beautiful background with your special person. And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and don't forget to subscribe down below. Bye!